people, the update when I carry comment, this one so alert. On a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I beg my people, anyway, they make una help me share this video. The update when they grand now about this blind girl miracle. What I want to be say, not be only evangelist Ebuko be they're supposed to dey drag for this issue, so because we get a lot of prophets for this country. People when they especially they showcase, say that they heal crippled people and blind people and the squanner, the many. They're supposed to they call them, they drag them. Wetin they pay me be say, not be only this pastor they supposed to dey drag. No, they many. As far as say now, you don't go this man of God church, this man of God give am money. All these people when they show healing for international TV, they show the word say they don't heal, oh, they don't do this one, or person just stand up from wheelchair from nowhere. Come they talk say he don't heal, oh. They come they shout all over the world, they watch them. Time don't reach. This one now read blind, oh, not this one, not be arranging. Time don't reach for them to request, for them to ask, say may they bring miracle to the church, so that they go heal miracle. This one not be waiting go they cause argument, all social media handle. No, this one not reach to the cause arguments. We get a lot of men of God in that country. They get money, not be seen and come. They show us all the miracles when they do for national TV all over the world. They watch them. They do different thing, even to reduce weight. That they do reduce weight. If someone fats, as I fat like this now, when I see me as I fat, I go church. They go say, I reduce my weight. I should reduce weight. That they do the miracle. This one not be saying I go come. We don't see a lot for social media. This one, so when they drag evangelist Ebukobi, they're not supposed to they drag this man, only this man of God. No, there many. This man of God, not the two they showcase it on, say he don't heal cripple, all those kind, all those kind pause when they fool people body, all those kind thing. I understand. This man, not the two they showcase this thing at all. There many all those men of God, all those big top men of God. They will just say this trending video. This dragging when they drag this man of God, this girl when they call miracle, say they never see him. They don't see him. May they apply, may they request, may they ask, say may they bring a miracle to their church so that they will heal miracle. We need help for miracle site so that miracle go see. Yes, punto. We need help for miracle side. May they say, may they carry miracle on their church. May they heal miracle. Because it don't say when they do this thing, they do this thing. Say, person go just stand up, you go walk, person go start the talk, deaf and dumb. Person when not the talk, go just the talk, clap hand, they clap hands. Oh God, we don't do see for this social media. No. Honestly, if woman being at Jesus, my people, Jesus not do this kind of a thing. He not do all this kind many wonders when Naija pastor, especially Naija pastors, don't they do. Jesus never do reach like this. This one when they drag this man, he dey pay me. Now my own side now they talk, may they not they drag her. Maybe Spirit of God not lead them to heal miracle. May they not come accuse me or accuse me. No. What I want to be say, we get top men of God, not be only this man of God. Now he did that country. May all these top men of God, may they ask, may they bring a miracle, may they come out. Because this matter now, it don't reach all over the world. Nobody go talk say, he don't see this trending video of a miracle, this blind girl. Everybody see the video. The word see him. May they ask, may they bring miracle to their church. Now that place, now they pay me. Because they do miracle well. Crippled people, they stand up. Blind people, they see. Deaf and dumb dey hear, dey clap hands. Make dey request, make dey say, okay, I ask again. I ask, make una carry am come my church, so church, because we get the money. Make dem no dey drag only dis man of God. The thing dey pay me. The thing dey pay me for body. People when they shout, hey, hey, he don't walk, oh, he don't walk, oh, he don't walk, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey, hey. May they call miracle now. We dey wait, we dey watch. All of them open one eye. They watch them, they zoom them like this. May they ask, may they bring miracle to their church. Wetin be my concern? Wetin dey pay me be say we get top men of God. When they talk, say, they claim, say, they heal cripple, they heal blind people, they heal. Time don't reach. This miracle on now, it too dey delay. The thing they pay me too dey delay. Say, many pastors say they never come out, say, may they carry miracle come their church. That be my problem. All these top men of God, when they talk, say, that they heal blind people, that they heal cripple. I don't know whether na them be second Jesus Christ. Since I was born, I never see Jesus Christ, but I know, say there is God. Your wisdom and your understanding. When I understand, know how you will take they put your things in one another. Now, so God will give you the wisdom. But the way when African pastors say they turn themselves to Jesus Christ is too much. Time don't reach now. May they come showcase the power. May they say, may they carry miracle come their church. May they heal miracle. I don't see wetin people they drag, they prolong this matter, all social media handle, all over the world. They watch the movie, they watch the drama. No, may they come out. Time don't reach. Oh, the woman. May they not they blame this man of God. Oh. The thing they pay me because we get top men of God when food that country. Okay, my people, now here now for leave una, but make una help me share this video so that it go reach all those top men of God. Say time don't reach all around the woman. Not be miracle matter. Now you go cause kasara for social media. They go they prolong her. No, may they come out, may they ask. If miracle not get transport, people when they uptime, they will contribute money for miracle. May miracle go there so that they will heal miracle. Time don't reach. This will not be waiting they cause for alarm. No, on a buy.